Hi guys!
Hi guys.
I'm Elsa too.
One.
Welcome to Elsa's vlog.
They say God's at
So how are you? Good. What is the occasion today?
is the frozen.
Frozen is the fiesta of
Huh?
the father of Jesus, Saint Joseph. You say, Happy Fiesta, Saint Joseph.
Happy Fiesta,
Saint Joseph.
San Joseph.
So cute, pretty kayo, oh. Can you give us one presentation?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. Tang, 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 tang. Lagi. Lagi. Tang, 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 tang. And the winner, Adilaw. And the winner of 4 medals, Mama Lau.
Jump.